So do you also wish to analyze employee surveys automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to build an AI agent to auto-analyze Typeform employee surveys. So as an HR manager, I have created an employee survey form using Typeform. And now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically OpenAI should generate an analysis for that survey. And after generating the analysis, automatically that should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Typeform with OpenAI and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically analyze employee feedback from Typeform using AI agents. This will help you save time, identify key concerns, and improve workplace satisfaction with ease. Alright, so as you all know that as an HR manager, I regularly collect employee feedback through Typeform surveys to understand their satisfaction, concerns and suggestions. But going through each response manually takes a lot of time and can make it hard to spot important patterns. So by building an AI agent to automatically analyze these survey responses, I can quickly get a summary of key insights like common issues, team morale or areas of improvement. So this helps me make faster decisions, take actions where needed, and improve the overall employee experience without spending hours reading every single reply. Alright, so here on the screen you can see my Typeform account where I've already created my employee survey form. And now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a response through this employee survey form, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate analysis for the survey received. And after generating the analysis, automatically that should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row such as employee name, department and the survey analysis generated by OpenAI. Alright, so here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Typeform with my OpenAI account and my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply making a form submission over here. That means as an employee I'm going to make a survey submission over here. So I'm going to add some dummy details over here. So I'm going to add the name first. Moving forward, here for the department, I'm going to add the department as sales. And here it says how satisfied are you with your job. So I'm going to give 8 over here and then I'm going to click OK. Then it says what do you like most about your role. So I'm going to add the liking that says great incentives and a motivated team. Then I'm going to press OK. Then it says what challenges are you currently facing at the work. So I'm going to add the challenges as long working hours and lack of proper communication from the management. Moving forward, then it says any suggestion for improving the work environment. So I'm going to add the suggestions as better communication channels and more structured reporting. Then it says additional comments. So I'm going to add the additional comment as I want to see more transparency in decision making. Alright, so then I'm going to click on the submit and it says thanks for completing this Typeform. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. Alright, so now let's go and check our Google Sheets directly. And here you can see automatically as soon as we have submitted the employee survey over there in the Typeform, then automatically a survey analysis generated by OpenAI is added over here in our Google Sheet with the employee name and the department, and this is the entire survey analysis over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Typeform with your OpenAI and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here on my screen you can see the Pabbly Connect's homepage and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as build an AI agent to auto analyze Typeform employee surveys. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn My hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Typeform, as I'm receiving new employee surveys through Typeform. So Typeform is an online tool for creating interactive and visually appealing forms, surveys and quizzes. So here in my Typeform trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new entry. So that when I'm going to receive new entry through Typeform, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Typeform with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Typeform account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Typeform. Alright, and now here you can see that Pabbly Connect is asking for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect by clicking on this accept button. And authorization successful, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the form. Alright, so here by clicking on this drop down menu you can see all the existing forms that I've created using Typeform till now. So in this particular case we are going to use a form that I've already created with the name employee survey. So I'm going to select the form as employee survey, as I want to capture the response for this particular form only. Alright, so now after selecting the form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for response. So here to get the response, we need to make a form submission over here. That means a test form submission or a test survey to receive a response over here. So now here to see a test response, let me all take you back to my Typeform. And here I'm going to copy the link of this form, and then I'm going to open it in a new tab. And now again I'm going to make a form submission over here. Alright, so here let me add the dummy details. So here for the name, I'm going to add the name as Priya Sharma. Then here for the department, I'm going to give the department as marketing. And then it says how satisfied are you with your job. So I'm going to give 9 over here. And then it says what do you like most about your role. So I'm going to give the answer as I enjoy the creative freedom and supportive team culture. Then I'm going to press OK. And then it says what challenges are you currently facing at the work. So I'm going to add the challenges. It says sometimes deadlines are very tight and it causes stress. Alright, so I'm going to add enter. And then it says any suggestions for improving the work environment. So I'm going to add the suggestion as more realistic timelines and regular brainstorming sessions. Then moving forward, and then it is asking me for the additional comment. So I'm going to add the additional comment as overall I love working here. Alright, so now with this we are going to click on the submit, and we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the details such as the form submitted at, responses, here you can see the field names, here you can see the details that we added in our fields. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we are going to capture a new entry through Typeform, or you can say a new survey response from our Typeform, then automatically I want to give this survey received to OpenAI to generate an analysis for the same. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate a survey analysis for me. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me for the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left sidebar. And here in the API keys, you can see some existing keys over here. So I'm going to create a new secret key by clicking on this top right button, and then I'm going to give a name to my key, that is over here as survey analysis. And then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on this save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the AI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the existing AI models available over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4. You can select the AI model as per your need. Then comes the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper analysis of the survey received for me. Alright, so here I'm going to add a relevant prompt. Alright, so here I've successfully added a prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as name, department, job satisfaction, likes, challenges, suggestions, and the additional comments. Alright, so now instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new response to our type form, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the name, I'm going to map the employee name over here. So I'm going to search for the name. So this is the name. Here for the department, I'm going to map the department over here. So I'm going to search for the department. So this is the department. Here for the job satisfaction, I'm going to search for the job satisfaction rating. So this is the rating. Here for the likes, I'm going to search for the likes of the employee. And here for the challenges, I'm going to search for the challenges. So this is the challenges. And here for the suggestion, I'm going to search for the suggestions. So this is the suggestion. And here for the additional comment, I'm going to search for the additional comment. Alright, so with this, we have successfully completed our prompt over here. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received a message content generated, where we have received the entire analysis generated for the survey received through Typeform. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after receiving the analysis for the survey, automatically I want to add this analysis in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is the free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that by using this particular action event, I want to add the analysis generated by OpenAI in my Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Employee Survey Analysis. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Employee Survey Analysis, and here for the sheet I'm going to select the sheet as sheet 1, and then here is asking me to enter the employee name, department and the survey analysis. So basically these are the fields that I've entered in my Google Sheets. So now here again I'm going to map all these details. So let's start with employee name. So here I'm going to map the employee name first. So for that I'm going to search for the employee name. So this is the employee name. Moving forward, here for the department, I'm going to search for the department. And lastly, I'm going to map the survey analysis generated by OpenAI. Alright, so now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the detail in our Google Sheets. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the employee name, department, and the survey analysis generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Typeform and our action as OpenAI and Google Sheets. So that whenever we're going to receive new entry through Typeform, then automatically using the details, I want OpenAI to generate an analysis for that survey. And after generating the analysis for this survey, automatically that analysis should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to build an AI agent to auto-analyze Typeform employee surveys. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.